Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Dolly? Can I help her look for it?
Did you lose it? Uh-oh.
I think it's way over here. Should I help her?
Yeah, sure. You can just kick it around or...
I am so glad it's blue. She's right on top of it.
Oh, get it, Dolly.
There you go. Woo! Behind her now, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
I think she kicked it behind her. Oh, here it is.
Oh, Dolly.
Dolly. There you go. Right under her foot. Still under her foot.
Get that Frisbee, Dolly. Get the Frisbee. Where's the Frisbee?
Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Sherry? Ready?
There it is.
Yes.
And then she buries it again.